People look at our gun now. There's some get your by now. Get your by now. Watch out. Get your by now. Somehow put it on this, you see it. For me go over thick. I tag up on you, see it pray. See everything you know so. See there? Bicycle, tube, last kit, everything there, you see it. Please subscribe, yeah man. Please subscribe to the channel, yeah man. Please subscribe to the video start. So I this. See there? Feel a way still and I right rubber, you see it. I said this is fish rubber, you see it. Feel a way, you see it, when my jaw kind of buck. So tomorrow morning, I check feel it or you feel it, you see it. So I link me up in the morning. So this will go about 6 o'clock, you know. I'm on about 6:20 to 28. You see it. And night, I know, so the place dark. Dark. Come on, please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Come on. Come on, see me out here now, me out here. About 6 at now, you see it. 9 morning. Come on. See me count a couple of them, you see it. Yeah man. Fresh. So we can't stop 2 of them. So stay tuned, subscribe, see you. Subscribe to the channel, let's see you pray. Yeah man, stay tuned. Sighting run man, sighting run. Down on a different road, I see it up in the forest. And we can see 2 ball plate, them the bird there, You see? Oh, some big bird, but I don't see no bird off in place. Don't see no bird off in place, I see it. So, see your forest, me there. Where your forest? About 7 odd there now, in the morning. You see, pray. So, stay tuned and subscribe. Even I shot the bird, also. See there? Still have it. Right, man, so please subscribe, like the video. Come on. Early bird get the most worm, you see it? So, bird don't always come out early to get worm. I mean, I was early to get bird. You see it? We are basic school. See the people. Like that. Come on. I like that. So, I go farm, I can go. I see we can get bird. See a pair forestry. Go come over here, see. So that means please subscribe, like the video. I like it up, but you know too powerful, you see it have strength in it. But you go straight. Man. Text on the comments, say ask. Text on the comments. How can I rubber this? I mean, know. They say I get a power rubber, I really get a power rubber. But I don't believe that. I does. This can shot white tune bird. I must take a bird squid. I shot and squid this man and squid take. But 2 hours, no, a minute, 2 minutes for drop out that tree. You see it? So, see how cool this is. So, stay tuned, subscribe. Yeah, man. See the people? I shot one. But I did a slingshot and lose, you see it? Two of them I care. People are pay by the way, you know? You hear my ball out there, so. Pay by the way, you see it? See it? I'm there. You ain't another one. And there. You ain't another one what I'm not seeing. People are pay by the way, you see it? So like I said, stay tuned. Take out a bird and put it in a bag. You see it? So, people, it's like now I want to more one tool. I can't cut this, I can't something. I can't do slingshot though, you see it? Some bird always make sounds funny nice, but we never hear before, you see it? So like I dopey them to back side, you see it? So are we over some forest me? Some people plant over there. Some people come see your bird over there. Some people plant over there and something like that. And man, that. So stay tuned, subscribe, see play. Yeah man. So people see place my daddy did go. You see it? Could catch crawfish because man the people in thick sauce the place. So when we come down in the night, in a mega night, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock and time they will come there and then we catch. Only one crawfish alone catch, only we catch one big one there. You see, so the people in thick sauce the place, bad. So thick sauce and grandma's zone in the water and they don't have a fucking thing was like God, you see it. Everything they do. Oh, we lose thick sauce but we lose it to a level. So alright, say alright, say couple crawfish out there, so you see couple crawfish out there, so I say alright, couple crawfish out there, so left them one out there, so and take away them one right there, so you see it, so we take sauce them one right there, so you see it, so we do it. Left them one out there, so make them breed up out there, and take sauce them one here, catch you on there. Anyone liquor, we throw them back to clean water. And when they throw them back in the clean water, then get better and start swim back on them there, you see it. Watch how thick sauce them water, you see me? That's the thing right man. Just wash them out in clean water and just throw back them now. In a cleaner water. Yeah man. So that's how it work, you see it. Yeah man. Good water means enough crawfish you to drink in a whole of days. So big crawfish, you see it. Big crawfish, a clean water and them there, you see it. You want some in the woods, you bury them. Try to turn back up on my yard again. You see it. So this alone I can look on. So people now almost on parrot. On parrot and I want chicken hog. You see it. Parrot actually, parrot are good. Parrot me almost shot the parrot out of the sky. I know how a parrot sees stone like see stone I go near or slap it, go after the parrot, so the parrot comes boom and come so and pass the stone and comes like, see like see stone and go so far and come back so. You see it so come back so. So when you see stone he lucky out of the sky when shot him out. And I see part of it go over. You see so people at one bird alone I take down and then near you kinda look still you see. So even get a big bird, clean him up pretty me see that one. Big bird I go after big bird more. But me see bird near to me so I take a shot, you see me? Boof. So I am going to shot a ground dove. Almost at a ground dove. You look here first. Ground dove lucky man. I mean walk, I see ground dove flies. So because a long time. So my tomorrow morning one idea, I come back over here. You see it. Yeah, man. So people like me I say please subscribe. Please subscribe man, reach 1K. Yeah man, I say things said. Please subscribe. Yeah man, some big touchy up in over them. Look here. Good bird now. This make a second bird. Oh, see here, people. You have yellow on the head, see there? This one have yellow. Some of them we catch have red. This is the first one we catch have yellow on the head, you see me? First one. That one a good bird, this one. Glad when I shot him, but me just got a head shot. I shot him in just drop down, so. People. Let's bring him in again, yeah. See them one, I knew bingy. I really slingshot get up all this man. Shot good or hurt. One shot me game man. I not jump and see I can't feel the team see it and then come. People I'm saying now black but I look like I see kind for this you see me? Look black. And them there. You know? Them one a good bird, my glass I'm shotting. This make a second bird. Yeah man. So like me say people please subscribe. See it, I'm alone now out here, you see me? A dark coat, so people like when you hunt, have a chain up your body on them there. So if we have no space, so stay tuned. People look, me reach back on my yard, you see it? Come on. So see about them shot a ground dove. Come on. No bear me shot but then chop them now. Manka bush. Come on. See them that one. So this one alive, still alive. Still alive. Hey, come on. You know feel his strength, see there? See ground over. Take him from far, because I head shot me give now. Yeah man, I head shot man. See there? And this man. Enough of them you see man. So sorry I'm not catching, but you know see when me I pick them or nothing like that. You see me? So me now on bad ears. Yeah man. A lot of that. So when I get to it, let me say please subscribe, share the video if you have to. Yeah man, share the video or clip it. When I reach a 1K, you see me just click it. That's simple as that, just click the subscribe button. Yeah man, click the subscribe button. See you man. So people me there, people, me there. You see it so. So I catch up the fire there. Catch up the fire there. And I cook it with some little keep me sleep on the tree. See it pretty, see there? See it pretty there. And one of them that. You know, so now we the pot boil up, you see. So I hit that one, you see. And one. So people, when I deal with some people, like, just please subscribe to this one. When I give enough views, but you not subscribe to the channel, you see me that? Just please subscribe to the channel, you see. Just press the red button there. Just press the red button. And no good. Just press the red button. Yeah man. I like it if you don't like it. Just please press the red button same way. Yeah man. So there I see him in a smoky place. Yeah man. Some people we are shot out their video. But they are going to the same place, you see me? They are going to the same place. But Wednesday to the Sunday, you see me? So Wednesday or something like that. Come on. So I say I cook rice with this, but now but I cook rice with it, you see now. Yeah, so some fried dumpling, I just cook up this. Come on, and put some fried dumpling with it. Come on, like that. So in the morning now, you see it. So they can't be bird from over there. In my fridge, you see it. So in the morning, so I said, I think I'm going to so people text in their comments if you want to see it. So people, me say,
video it when I shot it. You ground down the pretty when I shot him man. Clean shot about 5 of them needed. Good amount of them needed, you see me? So then did them a pine. When it's a coffee place, me people. So they did the iron gun. Boom. Man. The rubber hand, good rubber that you see. So please subscribe, just press it up. Boom. Just press it. Don't matter what phone saying, just press the button. Yeah man. Just press the button for me, just press the button there. If you want to see more video like this, click on the comments, you see me? I want to plan for do for more video. Follow them around the place today. I'm going to show you people with the white phone. The white phone I'm take them done this morning, busy. The morning so I take them done this morning. And then we up man so pick up the place. Next sun come next place. Take away the center for that, you see it set. Two set. So I finish set. This is for mommy set. You see it, so I wash the pan them this morning, wash all the pan them everything. Fresh brand new water, we give them, you know man. See a new sawdust on the ground. You know man. Let them that one. Every that one. Leave that boy. I know now people. Just please subscribe to the channel. You see, subscribe. Just press the red button. Press the red button. Now on. So, guys, one more phone in this house set to see him. You see. And there's fire watching hot for wash now. Come on. So, text and comments if you want to see more video. See him here. If you want to see more video, that could be about bird. Yeah, man. So, remember, my phone not too good, no people. Phone not too good. Yeah, man. So, phone crack up on them there. Yeah, man. Phone crack up on every single thing. So, let me say, please subscribe. Them there. Phone camera can have video good still, no, nothing. I lie, but a little bit, you can hear the phone, them I see anyway still, but I become know if the video good. Yeah, man. So the thing run done. See how fire kick on it. Cut down the bird on them there. So people when I'm bridging I tell me say, it's the same place me go shot the bird them. The same place me go shot the bird them. When I'm bridging I tell me say, so white thing over there, ball plate on them there. So the next time I go over there, I'm gonna look for them ball plate but more stronger rubber. You see it? So when we give them one shot them we drop no same thing we fly we could drop somewhere else. See it? I want to say please said so. Like I say please subscribe. Phone have no space, you see it? Just please press the red button, the red button. Yeah man, I eat this I know. Yeah. Like that boy. I'm cooking first. Stop it talking, yeah. Put pepper in there, scallion, no, scallion, yeah man, pepper and scallion. I don't want to take you off my friend though. You see it? So people, let me say please subscribe, like the video. See me man, I say your thing run, you see it? Just press the like button, just press the like button. Just press the button man, just press the button, you see it? Like that man, straight. You see it, straight. Like that man, just press the like button. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Yeah man, wait it. Please subscribe.